right, so today we have our August 2023 roundtable, and today we're going to be just talking about some basic things that have been announced in the last month or so. So the first is just the Q4 dates to know. So last Friday, 8/11, that is when the Prime Fall Deal event submissions ended in Seller Central. So those would have been any lightning deals or best deals that were an option during that time. Yesterday, 8/14, that is when the Prime Fall event Prime exclusive discounts were unlocked. So that is something that hopefully you guys are able to take advantage of sooner rather than later. I think when I checked yesterday, they still hadn't been unlocked, so they should be unlocked soon. But that would be the Prime Fall event, Prime exclusive discounts. Now, on August 18th, that is when the top deal submissions deadlines are due for the holiday. So what that is basically focusing on is Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So those are all due by this Friday if you guys are seeing them as an option in the portal. On September 1st, that is the holiday deal submission deadline in Seller Central. So that's when you're going to have to go ahead and submit those lightning deals or best deals. So I actually don't feel like I did a good enough job there explaining the two. So top deal was formerly known as deal of the day. So top deals are really only eligible for larger brands that have access to different Amazon reps and things like that. So that is what is going to be the deadline for those if anyone listening in is a part of that. Now, holiday deal submission deadline in Seller Central is September 1st. Those are for Black Friday and Cyber Monday lightning deals and best deals. Our Prime Fall Deal event FBA inbound shipping cutoff is September 14th. So all inventory that is needed for that event should be sent in by that date. We expect that that inventory will take between 3 weeks to 4 weeks to check in. So that would line up pretty well with our estimation that the Prime Fall event is probably mid-October. Now, the holiday FBA inbound shipping cutoff is October 19th. So that is referring to Black Friday and Cyber Monday. If you want to make sure your inventory is in stock by those two big times, you want to make sure you send them in by October 19th. Okay. So moving on to another pretty big announcement that Amazon came out with, I believe last week. Basically, the small and light program is being phased out. So on August 29, 2023, FBA small and light program will end and will be replaced with low price FBA rates. The new rates will apply to lower fees on lower price selections and will provide the same FBA delivery speeds. Any eligible items will automatically receive the low price rates and will not be subject to any peak fulfillment fees in 2023. So until August 28th, 2023, the small and light enrolled items will continue at those small and light rates up until the 29th. So if any of you guys listening in are a part of the small and light program, you are good to go there. So if you are enrolled in FBA and have ASINs at the $10 price point or lower, you will enjoy the lower fees of low price FBA starting on August 29th. So what's really cool about this update is that products are no longer subject to weight or dimension requirements. It all used to be based off of price and your weight and dimension, but now it's all about price point. So that's pretty exciting for a lot of brands considering, a lot of people weren't meeting the weight and dimensions requirements. So now this should be open to a lot more people. So if you are enrolled in FBA and have ASINs that sit between $10 and $12 that are enrolled in small and light, you will need to prepare for higher fees because now it's going to be $10 or lower. So if you guys were sitting at $10.99, just know that you are no longer going to be a part of that lower FBA fee. You would have to be priced below that $10 mark. So if you guys have any questions about that, if you're a part of the small and light program and have concerns, definitely reach out to us here at Turnkey or reach out to your coach. More than happy to help you guys out with that. But that is the small and light program and it is being phased out. So in terms of August and our roundtable, that's all I had. That was kind of our up and coming stuff. And if you guys have any other questions on that, you can go ahead and just let us know.